So we have a HP mt41. We're going to release the back cover here. We're going to release these two screws right here. They're marked by this keyboard, little drawing here. Get those loosened up. Flip the laptop over. What we're going to do next is to push down on a keyboard like this, so you can have one side hanging out. Gently pull the keyboard out like this. Release the ribbon connector. Now with the new keyboard, you want to put that connector back in. Then place it first down and then push up. And then you want to screw in these two screws here. After that, that should be it. Replace the head cover and now we're done.